they just so casually talk about, I'm gonna add a group of this. And I love that confidence which we did not have in the first day, and now they have it towards the end of 6 weeks. So presenting tonight's last amazing demo by Xander. So a little note on this, we started this project and we were literally running in an endless maze with no directions, him and I. And I felt really bad because, oh my god, this isn't my area of expertise. But we sat down, narrowed it down to one thing at a time, baby steps, and today we have Xander presenting a project which will literally sweep you off your feet. You feel it.
Okay. Hello, my name is Xander. I go to SAR High School and I'm entering my junior year. And this is my RC hovercraft, aka the duct tape mobile. So I will show you how it works now. Don't worry about the G's. Might get a little loud. So it's a little tough to control, so I was going a little slow. So the way it works is there are these two fans. This one over here pushes air down so that the hovercraft can lift off the ground. And this one over here in the back pushes air back, and there's a servo that it's connected to so it can turn left and right so that I'm able to steer it. And the way these are connected to the battery over here is in the back. It's a little hard to see. I'll try and hold it up. Right here, there are two ESCs, or electronic speed controllers, and what they do is they regulate the speed of the electric motors, which are the fans. And in between and connecting the ESCs to the battery is an on-off switch. So the chassis here, the body, made out of hard foam, and the skirt, which is the bottom, is actually, there's two layers. It's made out of a tent canvas material, and there's two layers. The top layer is connected to the chassis and has a big hole in the middle so that the hover fan can blow air down into the skirt to inflate it. And the second layer has a few little holes scattered in it so that the air, after the skirt is inflated, could push down onto the floor so that the hovercraft can lift off the ground. So originally, we had a few little holes and the skirt was inflating way too much. And when I tried to turn, the whole hovercraft would just topple over to the side. So we added these bigger holes to allow more air to travel out from the bottom of the skirt so that it wouldn't get off as high off the ground, so it wouldn't tip over. So I learned two very important things from this project. One is actually first I had a different design for the chassis and the skirt, but I had to change it because it didn't really work very well. So that one lesson is to learn to improvise, and that your first design might not always be the best one. And I think in reality this second design turned out better. And then the second lesson, possibly more important, is that as you can see, there's quite a bit of duct tape on it. And so that second lesson is that duct tape really does solve all your problems. Every problem I face, I just snap duct tape on it. So thank you for listening.
Did you also have to worry about the weight of it and the location of the fan on the bottom?
Yes. So originally I had this fan further back, but then it made, whenever I inflate it, the hovercraft would go like that. And so we moved it a little more forward to so that the center of mass is more towards the center. And also I also had an issue of side to side, because on one side I had the batteries and on the other side I had the ESCs. And sometimes when I would drive it, they get jostled a little, so like it would start to tip in one direction. So I had to figure out a way to secure them. So. Hunter?
How will you go about controlling like the uncontrollableness? Well, yeah, that's a good way to put it. How would you go about like controlling the duct tape mobile?
Yeah. Like, do you mean like controlling it like when I'm driving it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've come up with some possible solutions. Like I currently don't have a front. I just wanted to show you guys like the interior. But maybe if I put on a front, it'll make it a little more aerodynamic. Maybe make it easier to control. I can mount the back fend here a little more securely so that it's pointing like exactly straight. I think right now it's a tiny bit off, but if I can make that more straight, then I could probably control it.
When are you gonna make the life size one?
Yeah, one more.
Did your shape, did you adjust the shape based on when you were figuring out the balance, or?
That was after, but originally I had like a different design, and it was a little too like, it wasn't very stable, like it wasn't able to hold the fans very well. So what I did is I actually like designed this shape of the chassis on a computer program, and it's called Tinkercad, and that helped me like, it has like measurements and all that, and it helped me visualize how it would look, and yeah. Good.
What happened to the name, the Silver Surfer? We originally named it after.
Silver Surfer?
Yeah.
The informal name is the duct tape mobile.
Okay.
The real name is the Silver Surfer.
Okay.
Thank you so much.